In this video, we'll see how to download and install device support for our CPLD, and then we will program the CPLD in Quartus, and finally we'll test out the socket on our breadboard. Firstly, we'll go to the Intel website to download the device support. If you scroll down here, you can see there are many device support that you can download. In our case, we are using Max 2 device, so we can download this from the website. After downloading the device support file, you must go to the installation folder of your Quartus. Go to Quartus, Common, Device Info, and Device Install, and then double click on the device installer. Click Next. Here you can specify the directory that contains the device file. My case is in my downloads folder, so click Next and click Agree. Then the rest is self-explanatory. I'll leave it for you. Since I already done this step, I'll skip it. After installing the device support, we can go to the assignments device and then choose the device that we want. For example, I'm using Max 2 and then EPM240T100C5 and then click OK. Then what you need to do now is to plug in the JTAG cable. And then also the USB cable to your laptop or computer. Next, go to Device Manager. Scroll down to USB, right-click on the USB blaster to update the driver. Browse My Computer for drivers, and paste in the path to your Quartus installation. The rest is just clicking Next, so I'll skip here. Now we will do the pin assignment in the pin planner. For the input A, we will use the pin 1. Input B, we will use pin 2, and the output C will use pin 3. And remember that we need to use mid trigger for input A and input B. So let's check here. Use 3.3 volts mid trigger input. The same thing for the input B. Now let's close this and then do a full compilation. This will generate the POF file so that we can program it into our CPLD later on. So let's just wait for it to finish. Alright, done. Now we go to program device. Double click on this. The hardware is set up. Make sure you pick the right USB blaster. Close. Then we will click add file, output files, and this is the POF that we need to program. And check the program and configure option. What is JTAG? Before we go ahead and start programming the device, we have to make sure that the power supply to the CPLD is turned on. In other words, make sure that the LED is already bright when you are about to program it. After turning on the power supply, only then we can click on Start. The progress will be shown here. Okay, we are done. Now we are ready to play with our circuit. That's it for this series of tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching.